You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, now I'm videoing. Okay.
So.
And now I'm just gonna take some measurements on this. Hey, how you doing? Got another one for you right here. Nice little bathroom remodel. Oh yeah, it's taking us back. 1970. Look at that, man. They don't even make stuff like that no more. Look at that, custom. Like I said, we gonna redo it. This is some of the proposed tiles. You know, I think this is accent. This is the floor. This is the wall. All this is gonna be removed. We're eliminating the tub. We'll put a new tub along this wall. Eliminating the sink. Moving the sink to this wall. Vanity mirror. New exhaust fan. New trim around there. Gonna paint the door. Paint the insides of the closet. It's gonna be nice and spiffy, man. It's gonna be nice and spiffy. Check out our next video, and hopefully you can get a good angle of what I'm doing. So basically, we already got this started a little bit. So you take your private car, put the mask on, and go at it. Okay, so update video for Remodel. Just want to give you some pics. Let's see how we go. This is where we at right now. It's been a long journey. Shower done, tub in, installing the backsplash. Just hit the pipes. If you remember when we first got started, it was a big tub in the corner, big cat corner tub, you know. Yeah, busted over with a sledgehammer. We replaced it with a 66-inch soaking tub. All right. We went on top of the floor. We had mosaics on the floor. We had 12 and 20. Now we got 12 by 24 tiles. Okay. Then we got 12-inch custom tiles and backsplash. Not backsplash, custom niche. All new plumbing. And before, in that corner before was the sink. Now we move the sink to the other side of the room. Which is a 40-inch vanity with granite top. Moved the electrical. We added a light, added a plug. You know, gave them all a new GFCI. We added the exhaust fan, which was a house from 1940s. It didn't have an exhaust fan. We added exhaust fan with LED lights and Wi-Fi speaker, so you can hook your phone to it while you're in the tub. We added a 1x trim around the window, because in the old version of this house, of this bathroom, it was 4x4 tiles all the way up to the window. You know, so the only thing that stayed the same in this is where the toilet is at. You know, we added toilet with soft close. Added toilet with soft close top.
Look at that.
Yes, take too long. Look at it. Then we had put up some handles for the homeowner, and then all this. And if you remember the old video, all this was, oh, you can tell the house from 1940s because it still got the laundry chute. You know, so we just painted everything up for the homeowner. You know, add the white. She wanted to go with the blue, so we painted everything up for her. You know, still got a little odd thing. Got one more thing to do. Got to add a safety bar for her. But if she wants to come in tonight, she can get into, you know, relax. So that's just a wrap up. The Hayes remodel. You know, the bathroom. The next video will be in the kitchen, because we got countertops, cabinets. We got floor. Countertops, cabinet, floor to do, and so we'll be updating you on that. Okay.
All right.